Hi, this is just a short video to show you how to finish the unit for Teabag Star from my book Origami Journey. Somebody requested it and have problems with connection and also with last steps. So this is the finished unit, but how to get there, this is the beginning of the unit, and the thing is, you should have, we have it like this in diagram, then we fold around this edge. So this would be step 7, and in step 7 we are going to squash this flap. So I take the flap, rotated it, and start squashing. If you have problems squashing it, you can use a stick or something to reach inside. And you can either follow these parts, or you can turn the paper over and you can align this central line with this point, so that it is nicely centered. Okay, if you look from the other side, this is what we get. And so that's the finished unit. Once more, just to show the opening of this flap, squashing. So I go with the stick inside if you struggle with it, and then I start squashing like I'm pressing softly, and then you can turn the paper over, and you can align the folded line in the central of the flap with this point, and you can finish it with the on the table. Now, how to connect units? It's fairly simple. You take 2 units, and I'm bringing this part under this wider flap, and you see that this will go on top of it. Now I twist the model to see the back side, because connection will happen here. And now you see this orange flap. I will fold it around these edges and I will bring it inside like this, and I repeat the same thing with this blue flap. You can see that there are some layers of paper, and again I will just rotate around that paper and fold it. And now the 2 units are very well connected, and here it looks as if this part and this part are the same, and we can continue in the very same way. I add my new unit here, find a good position, turn around, and here you can see 2 flaps which will go behind. So you can start with this flap, it doesn't matter, like this, and now we fold this flap behind. So now we have all of this, and if we continue with 8 units, we will have the complete Teabag Star. So that's all. I hope it helped.